Hi there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Adroit Architecture and my name is Irene. Here at Adroit Architecture, we bring you great content on architecture, construction and project management. If this is your first time watching our videos, thank you for taking the time. Kindly consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on your notifications. It is absolutely free and you will get great content and great value from our channel. And to our subscribers who are always here watching and commenting, thank you very much for your support. We can only do what we do because of your support, and we really do want to take a moment and appreciate each one of you. Let's get into the video. Today, we bring to you the Vista 2-bedroom bungalow house plan, another very simple but beautiful 2-bedroom bungalow. We have received a lot of requests for 2-bedroom designs, and here you go. This one is a very good one. The Vista 2-bedroom bungalow is a small but extremely functional home. It works very well for a small family or empty nesters where your children have grown up and left home. This is also a perfect home for you to build up country. This 2-bedroom bungalow can also work very well for an estate development. If you're looking to put up several small homes, either in a gated community or in a holiday destination, this one is for you. First-time home owners, those working with a tight budget, and those with a small piece of land, this plan answers all those needs. One of the main features of this design is the fact that it is a front-oriented home with a large front terrace. The home is designed to take advantage of a specific view. All the rooms are oriented towards the front, and you can position your home to take advantage of the main view and enjoy this view to the fullest from the front terrace. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. The car park is right in front of the front entrance. So from your car, straight to the front entrance, which brings you into the small entrance lobby of this home. The entrance lobby provides a welcome area where you can leave your shoes, your coat, or your keys as you enter the home. The entrance lobby also provides a holding space for any visitors who you would like to meet without giving them access to the main house. Right from the entrance lobby, you step into the nice and spacious living room. Here, you have more than enough space to fit your furniture and have good circulation space. You have a small dining area that is set up next to the living room. The kitchen lies diagonally across from the living room. The kitchen is also nice and spacious with enough high and low level storage cabinets. You have a nice kitchen island that provides additional working area as well as additional sitting area in the kitchen. The living room, the dining room, and the kitchen are in an open plan setup, giving great accessibility, ease of movement, and an illusion of space in these three areas. Beyond the kitchen, you have a medium-sized walk-in pantry that provides additional storage space and is easily accessible from the kitchen. Right behind the pantry, you have the shared bathroom. This bathroom serves your guests as well as the second bedroom. It is neatly tucked away at the back, giving a good level of privacy and discretion. Down the corridor, you have the shared bedroom. This is a very spacious bedroom that can fit up to 3 small beds, each with a bedside table. This works very well as a bedroom shared by children. You have enough closet space provided to serve all the 3 occupants. At the very end of the corridor, you have a nice and spacious master bedroom. The master bedroom has its own private master bathroom and a corner closet area. From the master bedroom, you have a door that leads you into the front terrace. Right at the living room dining room area, you have another door that leads you to the front terrace. As stated earlier, the entire house is oriented towards the front terrace. This makes this house plan awesome to take advantage of a particular view. The terrace is nice and spacious, and here you can set up a beautiful outdoor sitting area. A lot can be done at the terrace. Envision a nice barbecue area, outdoor pizza oven, an outdoor fireplace with nice patio furniture. Basically, a great area for your rest and relaxation as well as entertaining your guests. The Vista 2-bedroom bungalow has a plinth dimension of 18.3 meters by 8.8 meters. This is what we call the footprint of the building. With this dimension, you need a very small piece of land to build this home, as small as a 40 by 80 piece of land. The total living area of this Vista 2-bedroom bungalow is 117 square meters, with a terrace measuring 22 square meters. As at September 2023, the cost of construction for the Vista 2-bedroom bungalow is 5 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good rate to have in mind, but always remember a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. And that is the Vista 2-bedroom bungalow house plan, an open plan, front-oriented home featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a spacious front terrace. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're interested in this home design or any other home design we have featured on our YouTube channel, get in touch with us. We have provided our email addresses as well as our telephone contacts down below. If you have any questions, let us know. We can always customize this house plan to fit your needs and budget. This is Irene. I'll see you in our next video.